It's a new update in Gorilla Tag. I haven't looked. There's a new set of cosmetics in the store. Better stock up on your rain gear. It looks like it could start raining in the near. He's gonna add rain. Like this. I hope that's not gonna like be a performance issue, because I know like most VRs, when it starts raining, like when you play VR Minecraft, it starts raining, you start like actually dying. So I hope he's got a plan for that. We're gonna go check out the new cosmetics. Ooh, teeny. It's raining. That's so cute! Little monkey! Little monkeys. Oh, monkey. So cute. What if you have like animations to it, so they can just like walk around in your pocket? It's like looking around and stuff. They don't seem to be effective if you're red. That is ugly. I hate that. I hope nobody's wearing that. It's just not good. It's not a good hat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then we got blue. I'd probably choose blue. Maybe pink. That's good. That's like the switch light colors. I don't think pink was a color, but no, it was gray. It was gray. Then we got some coats and a hat and boots. 5,000 for a boot. Wait, do you just wear them on your hands? How does that work? That's like, oh, okay, it makes more sense. Not gonna lie, if you don't look at it through the mirror, it kind of looks like he just gave up on it, coating this. That's not bad, but it's not really that good either. Like, at all. Kinda sucks. Oh, got a little vest on. Hold up. Looks like a little blue raincoat. It's okay. Something to wear. Yeah, but this is... The fact you can like kind of see it, I guess, is cool. But other than that, it's not the best. And my brain has deleted it from existence. Kind of bad. How much are these? 3,500. That's too much. That's too much. 2,000. That's 5,000. 4,000. 4,000. 2,000. It's so expensive.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
Like, I ain't got the money for that. Probably wouldn't have bought anything anyway. Normally I would make a video, but there isn't a content update. First of all, check out my channel, and hope you guys enjoyed. I got actual videos on there, so go check out right here. And then here's the videos. This is the video. I think it's my first one. It's probably gonna be my first one. This won't be that hard to edit. See you guys later. Oculus removed being able to talk to people in the app while you're recording. What is that?